Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video on how to build a long-term investment strategy. Investing is a great way to reach your financial goals, but it can be difficult to know where to start. Leave your like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on amazing tips like this. In this video, we'll discuss the important steps to building a long-term investment strategy, from defining your financial goals to seeking advice from qualified professionals. Join us on this journey and learn how to put your money to work for you in the long run. Step 1. Define your long-term financial goals. Before you start investing, it's important to clearly define your long-term financial goals. Some examples may be retirement, buying a house, raising children, among others. Step 2. Analyze your investor profile. Now that you have your financial goals clear, it's important to assess your investor profile. This includes considering your goals, your investment period, your risk tolerance and your financial resources. This will help determine which type of investments is best for you. Step 3. Diversify your investments. Diversification is the key to minimizing risk in your investments. This means spreading your money across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. This will help ensure that you don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Step 4. Be patient and avoid impulsive reactions. Investing for the long term requires patience. It is important not to get carried away by emotions and to avoid impulsive reactions to market fluctuations. Remember that the financial market is volatile and there can be ups and downs along the way. Step 5. Periodically review your investments. It is important to periodically review your investments to ensure they are still in line with your financial objectives and to adjust your strategy as necessary, taking into account changes in the financial market. Step 6. Seek guidance from experienced and qualified professionals. Last but not least, it's important to seek advice from experienced and qualified professionals, such as financial advisors, to help build and track your long-term investment strategy. They can provide you with valuable insights and help ensure you are making informed decisions about your investments. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.